So welcome back. What we've got now is a working TIG welder. So what I'm going to do today is just have a play around making some runs on this bit of scrap. My knowledge of TIG welding is basically I've had this welder sat on my bench now for a few months, just while I've been collecting all the electric parts and everything else needed to go with it. Now I've got it wired in. As you can see, I've taken some notes. Some friends have given me some pointers. I have a helmet, I have a torch, I have some rods, I have some scrap, and I'm going to take it from there, and we'll see how we get on. I do have a foot pedal that I'll use at some point in the future, but for now we're just going to make some runs, see how we get on. So after about 2 good hours of just melting metal, what have I found out about TIG welding? Well, it is as complicated as people make it out to be. It is going to take a lot of time to learn. That said, I did manage to stick 2 bits of metal together. Is it pretty? No. Does it look like it does on the forums and on YouTube? No. Certainly not. Clearly going to need a lot more practice, but that's all the fun. So we'll continue to play with that. We have an entire bandit frame somewhere to play around with over winter, and I'm sure with plenty of practice we'll get better at it. I've hopefully got some people going to come around, give me some tips, show me how to use it. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.